So I was talking to a friend the other day who just bought a home in Phoenix, and I said, let me ask you a question. Who has keys to your home? And she said, what do you mean? And I said, well, when you got keys to your home, did you rekey your home? And she said, no, I didn't. Why do I need to? And I said, well, that's a really great question. Think about all the people that had access to that house previously. Do you think that prior owner collected all the keys from everyone that they knew and disposed of them? Probably not, right? So the gardener, the house cleaner, maybe the electrician, right? There's the relatives, family, friends. I mean, there's so many people that could have access to your home and you didn't rekey it. So again, I'm not trying to scare her by any means, or you that's listening, but I'm trying to educate everyone. And that's why I'm doing this video today, because there's so many people out there, I'm sure, that did not know that when they purchase their home, they have to rekey it. The great news is all you need to do is call a locksmith. You don't need to change the whole doorknob. You just need to get it rekeyed, and it's a simple phone call. And guess what? If you have home warranty, it's a quick call to home warranty, and they will set that up for you. So again, not wanting to scare you, but just think about it. The first thing that you should do when you get those keys to your new home is to get it rekeyed. So give yourself some peace of mind, call a locksmith, especially if you just entered into a new home. Even if it was a year ago, absolutely. If it was not rekeyed, you need to do it. If you need any other advice on security for your home or just general education on real estate, reach out to me. I'm available for you anytime. Bye.